Today guys, I'm just showing you how to replace the Toyota Yaris. Is a 2018. Is a cabin air filter. So first things first, you just come right here, you open the glove compartment area, just take it out like that, and then what you do guys, make sure you just take everything out of here. So next is you just pry here on the side like this. It just pops out from right there. You come to this side too, you just pop out like that. It just comes out like that, and then guys, you just let this thing just lie down like this. So what you do, you just take it out like that from here, and then what happens now, you come in here guys, you see you have this space right here is already showing you. So this is where the cabin air filter is. So what you do, you just hold this side like this, and then you hold this other side, and then you just pull it back like this, and let it come all the way. Just take like that. Holy moly, this one has rats even in it. So guys, you take out like that. So down here guys, we have a blower motor. So once this is out, you bring in the new one, and once you get the new one guys, installing is the same way. It has something like an airflow in here. It says airflow, which means this facing down is the airflow, which has like the flow of air once it blows from the motor. So this is how it should go in, the way it's supposed to be. You just take it like that, you just put it back in like this, the new one. Just arrange it, and then you push it all the way until you hear it snap. Then once that is done, you bring back this right here guys. This is the glove compartment. You just let it lock in there, both sides. Then guys, you hook in. It's supposed to have a hook guys, but I don't know why mine doesn't have a hook. Maybe it is just supposed how to be like. But once you hook it like that guys, what you do is you push in like that. It just snaps by itself, and then you're good to go. You just push it in all the way like that, and then guys, should be good to go. And that's how easy it is to change. This is a Toyota Yaris. This is a 2018. That's how it is. Alright, I hope this video really helps you out guys, and see you next time in the next video.